They were the brains behind making this a reality. So we got the grandeur, we got the scale of hotel chains, all the top restaurateurs, all the top hoteliers, all the top people in the travel and tourism business. Thanks to people like that who all readily consented, let's make this the most credible award in the country. Can we see the jury slide, please? One man show. Mumbai, can you stand up? I don't even think that applause was good enough. Can I have you on stage?
Creates that, the platform that we need for our networking to grow our industry and everything, and get Lighthouse Summit to do what it needs to do. Thank you so much.
Well, good evening, everyone. It's such a pleasure to have everybody at Fairmont Mumbai. Can we have a big round of applause for everybody here? You know, tonight is all about being a hotelier, being from travel and trade, being from a restaurant industry. And so we just opened the hotel in April this year. And that's where, you know, last year when we were doing a hard hat tour, we came together and we thought, why not we do the launch of the first Lighthouse Awards here at Fairmont Mumbai, bring the industry here, bring to this beautiful hotel where everybody can admire and enjoy the hospitality. So I'm so grateful, Shakir Bhai, for you to put the foundation of that. And like when we make a cake together, the recipe has to be right, but the cherry on the cake and all the design is done by a perfect gentleman, Mohammed Bhai. So really grateful for you to come over and take it forward. But yeah, very proud to be standing here. Very thankful to our ownership, to Shrimp, very soon. What a great inspiration of putting this beautiful hotel together. So we got two hotels in this beautiful building, and enjoying. The second hotel we're going to welcome everybody back to enjoy in December or January next year. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm so grateful to have all of you here. Very, very thankful to my team, to Fairmont Mumbai team. Give yourself a big hand, guys. What a reopening we had for the last 6-8 months. Very soon it gives me a right honor that the right dollars are coming in from different stage of pre-opening. We're going up and loving that every guest who goes out goes by making special for all of them. So yeah.
Good to have all the media and friends. This is a special night today. It's a Lighthouse special events which has come to Mumbai for the first time in life. As we all know, Fairmont Mumbai has just been born. A brand new hotel next to, International Mumbai Airport. We at Mumbai is the New York of India, right? So what we are bringing to Mumbai is the 1920 New York story. So it was so important for us to host this beacon of the awards in the industry to say thanks to everybody who makes this industry special. Whether it's airlines, whether it's hotels, whether it's travel and trade, everybody is so connected. And we as Accor and Fairmont Mumbai coming next to International Airport, we wanted to create an iconic hotel which will do iconic awards year after year. So proud to be associated and hosting this beautiful award, Lighthouse Awards, where tonight we are going to welcome a lot of dignitaries from trade and travel industry, hotel industry, everybody. And we are going to say thanks and reward and recognize all the efforts done by everybody to take our tourism forward.
Thank you so much. The best thing is all the best of the best people will be today under this roof at Fairmont.
No, absolutely.
With India's travel and tourism sector booming, how do you see iconic hotels like Fairmont becoming more integral to such industry-defining gatherings?
Mumbai is a very busy city. We are the financial capital of India. Delhi might be the main capital, but here is where in the West Coast we bring Bollywood to entertainment to sports, everybody under one roof. Having Fairmont Mumbai, our second Fairmont in India, so proud to bring two hotels within this hotel. We have opened Fairmont Mumbai with 446 keys. The biggest and the most luxurious MICE in any five-star hotel in a hotel in Mumbai. So we got 75,000 square feet of banqueting. So we are going to bring global conferences from all around the world, all around the India. We are next to one of the most beautiful and the most busiest international airport. So just imagine you're flying in from Hyderabad, from Delhi, from wherever, 400, 500 delegates, and we can accommodate in our ballroom, which is 21,000 square feet and pillarless, 8-meter height, up to 2,200 people. So apart from that, we will have 446 keys. The new hotel, which we are also opening by December, Rosewind Mumbai, will have 109, so 555 keys. So this will be a destination to host most of the top events in the country, from fashion to music to top-class weddings to MICE to events like tonight, which we are going to put red carpet throughout the year. So yeah, look forward to welcome everybody for amazing journey together with Fairmont Mumbai, and welcome everybody and make special for every guest who comes to the hotel.
Thank you so much. We look forward to, we all as normal human beings, normal citizens also look forward to come and stay at Fairmont. एक समय होता था हम लोग like small town people, we used to think कि ज़िंदगी में बड़ा कुछ करेंगे तो ताज में जाके रुकेंगे. Now it's Fairmont. तो आप जितने भी लोग हैं लाइफ में जब आप अपने अपने ओनर बन जाओगे सब आके फेयरमाउंट में रुकना यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट टाइम.
बट एक और अमेजिंग चीज़ है, लास्ट 5-स्टार लग्जरी होटल जो मुंबई में खुला था वो एक्चुअली JW मैरियट नेक्स्ट डोर्स खुला था 2000
2 decades ago,
almost 15 में, right?
Yeah.
So it's been over 10-12 years. Mumbai has not seen a top super luxury hotel. So proud to bring a luxury 5-star deluxe hotel in Mumbai. This hotel actually is an engineering marvel for the industry. 98% of kitchens in this hotel are electric. We've got 8 amazing restaurants to take care of this. From technology to safety to, give you a simple example, the AQI, which is so important in today's world. Outside in Mumbai, we might have an AQI of 100 and 300, but inside the hotel, AQI will never cross 30. Because every FCU or AC units in this hotel has a UV filters inside. We are bringing the first longevity and spa in the country next to the international airport, 24 hours. And we really want Mumbai to become 10 years younger. So there's amazing things coming up where we'll make people proud of enjoying all the luxuries at the Fairmont.
Thank you so much. Only I've seen my mother praising me so much in my life. The second person who I saw praising so much about his product, about his progeny is you. And we are all glad, we are all happy that Fairmont is here. It's making Mumbai prouder.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now a question to Mr. Shafqat Ali ji, publisher Hospitality Horizon and CEO Trikaya Media Group. From a hospitality and media perspective, why is it important to have a dedicated award for travel, tourism and hotels at this time?
India's travel and tourism is really exploding now. We've exploded on the global scene. Domestic tourism is booming. I thought we needed a global platform that will put India on the global map. And what better way to do this than host a travel and tourism awards, which is of international caliber in a world-class hotel. My first, I didn't even think twice. I came to the gentleman who's sitting to my right, Rajiv Kapoor. I said, if we have to do this and put India on the global tourism map, we have to do something which is really out of the box. Something that brings celebrities. The gentleman on my left, we said we will get celebrity angle, we will get glamour, we will up the quotient, we'll do it at the best hotel in the country, which is Fairmont. So we've got 2 great partners who actually made this whole evening possible. We want to put Indian travel and tourism on the global map. The time has come for India. There's no credible travel and tourism awards also, let's be very honest. The jury that we see today for these awards, the awards that we are going to see later tonight, is every CEO of every top hotel chain is on the jury. The MD of ITC Hotels, the MD of Hyatt Hotels, the CEO of Leela Hotels, the CEO of Oberoi Hotels. If you see the jury tonight, it is all the top hoteliers, the CEOs and MDs of all the top hotel chains, all the top restaurateurs. So the who's who of the food and hospitality industry and the travel industry have got together to put together an awards which is credible, transparent, and really puts India on the global map. And like I just said, and I'll repeat myself, what better way to do this than in the best hotel in the country? I firmly believe, I've been dealing with hospitality my entire life. The moment I saw this hotel, which was under construction, I fell in love with this. I just 2 hard hat tours with Rajiv. and it was mind-blowing. I've never seen a hotel like this in the country. There's no competition in Bombay. The closest competition would be the Geo Convention Center, really. So there's no hotel like this with 75,000 square feet.
Applause.
We said we'll do it. No, huge round of applause to Rajiv Kapoor for making this happen. The moment I just bounced the idea off him, he said, it's ours. We're doing this together. He's opened his doors, he's opened his hearts, and he's opened his arms to make this the grandest awards ever. He's given us the entire hotel. The ballrooms have been thrown open. So the best hotel company in the country, the best hotel chain, which is Accor. Today, I had a conference call with the CEO of Accor Hotels, which is Ranju Alex. She's in Kerala. She's just taken over as the CEO of Accor Hotels. She was on a conference call, and she went through the entire venue on a video call to see how things were. So that's the kind of partners that we've associated with. And this gentleman, I mean, the more I talk about him, the less I'll be talking about him. He and Mazhar Bhai, they have put together something that I have not even imagined. I do 14 awards in a year. I've been doing awards for the last 10 years. But the scale that he's mounted this, the kind of turnout that he's got today, is really something which has not been done in India ever, ever, ever for the travel and tourism industry. Not even the National Tourism Awards. So with these great partners, it has to be historic. It's epic. So I think we've achieved what we set out to. And thank you, Rajiv Bhai. Thank you, Mohammed Bhai. Thank you, Mazhar Bhai, for making this dream a reality. And I'm sure that this is going to put India on the global tourism map.
Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking about India in this way. India is the only country in the world which has tigers as well as lions. India is the only country in the world which has mountains, which has sea, which has deserts, which has snow, everything, other than USA, I think. So we deserve good travel partners. We deserve shows like this, and thanks to you, you are doing this. One last question. What unique perspective will Hospitality Horizon bring to ensure the summit sparks conversations that matter for industry growth?
I think this whole initiative that we are rolling out is really a precursor to something big. Like he just said, this is something that we're going to go year on year. We will get the biggest and the best minds in the travel and tourism industry to come together, and the hospitality industry year on year. And each year we're going to scale it up, grander, bigger, and mounting it on such a huge, magnanimous scale and platform with these two partners and Fairmont just agreeing to make this into a long-term relationship. So I think it's the platform that's launched. It's only going to go bigger from here.
Thank you so much, sir. Now a question to Mr. Mohammad Murani. I have been working with Mr. Mohammad Murani. Actually, I started my career with Mr. Mohammad Murani 21 years ago. मुझे एक बात पता है कि किसी के घर में मुंडन भी होता है तो they can convert it into a Filmfare Award. इतना बड़ा कर देते हैं इन लोग यहाँ पर. So, Dome Entertainment has hosted some of India's most iconic events, from everything to everything. How do you see the Lighthouse Summit and Awards helping to elevate India's global standing in travel, tourism, and hospitality?
Namaskar and good evening, Sat Sri Akal to everybody. और यहाँ आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप लोग हमको मिलते रहते हैं, इतनी इज्जत से देते रहे हमको, and thank you really for coming here. सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू कहूँगा राजीव को इतनी फैंटास्टिक होटल बनाने के लिए, जो 1-1.5 साल पहले से जब हम हाई बोलते हैं ना हार्ड हैट पहन के होटल देखने आते थे तो एक एक चीज़ हमको दिखाते थे. वहाँ एक पिलर नहीं था, एक लाइट नहीं था. मैं ऐसे यहाँ करने वाला हूँ, वैसे यहाँ करूँगा, मैं ये यहाँ करूँगा. और वो पूरा पैशन आज होटल देखने के बाद वो बाहर निकलता है. और इनका एक रूल है कि कोई आ रहा है खाना खाने, जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी है इनकी कोई इसकी पकड़ नहीं सकती है. ही इज़ रेटेड एज द बेस्ट GM ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो बिग हैंड फॉर दैट. और इनकी एक टीम है, आपको पता है हॉस्पिटैलिटी में थाईलैंड है एक, जो आदमी को टेक केयर करता है, मतलब पागल हो जाता है जाके कि क्या मज़ा आ गया. और एक है राजस्थान. और इन्होंने ही वॉज इन फेयरमेंट जयपुर, एंड वहाँ से इन्होंने वो पूरी हॉस्पिटैलिटी टीम 150 आदमी की यहाँ पर ले आए आपके लिए. तो जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी आप ये होटल में देखोगे बॉम्बे में कहीं नहीं देखोगे, और जो ये फैसिलिटीज़ दे रहे हैं वो बॉम्बे में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. तो प्लीज़ आजमा लो यहाँ का खाना. आज आप टेस्ट करोगे, यहाँ हाई टी आपके लिए लगा भी हुआ है. दिस इज़ फॉर वेरी बिग हैंड टू राजीव कपूर. हमारे शफकत भाई है जो बहुत 21 इवेंट प्रॉपर्टीज़ करते हैं, बेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट्स है, बेस्ट शेफ्स है, पेस्ट्री शेफ्स है, मतलब 21 अवार्ड करते हैं, पर ट्रैवल टूरिज्म एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी का ये पहला अवार्ड है। और आपको पता है जैसे ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री इतनी बढ़ रही है और इसके लिए कोई अवार्ड नहीं है, एयरपोर्ट कौन सा बेस्ट होता है, एयरलाइन कौन सी बेस्ट होती है, कौन सा ईज माई ट्रिप है कि मेक माई ट्रिप बेटर है, तो ये कैटेगरीज के लिए कोई अवार्ड नहीं और इनके लिए ना कोई कदर भी नहीं है लोगों को। ये टूरिज़्म को हाईलाइट करना है इंडिया का टूरिज़्म हाईलाइट करने के लिए ये अवार्ड पैदा हुआ है। दैट इज़ द रीज़न अ बिग हैंड टू लाइट हाउस अवार्ड ट्रैवल टूरिज़्म एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी। एंड हमारी इच्छा है कि ये हर साल फेयरमेंट में हो और ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है और इनको बेहतर और बहुत बड़ा होते जाए कि लोग हमको फ़ोन करें कि हमको ये अवार्ड में आना है। आपको तो ये पता ही है कि हम सारे बड़े शो करते ही हैं और इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं, ये हमारी एक्सपर्टीज़ है। तो कोई भी चीज़ को बड़ापन देना और जबकि ये हमारा पैशन है, सबको लुक आफ्टर करना, सबका टेक केयर करना, अच्छे इवेंट करना, वैसे हम शादी कर रहे हैं या हम फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में ये चीज़ है कि बाहर जब हमारा आदमी जाए या हमारा क्लाइंट बाहर जाए वो हमें बोले वाह कमाल का काम किया। दैट इज़ द बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट। ओवर टू माई पार्टनर, ओवर टू सिद्धार्थ, थैंक यू।
सो आपके जो भी क्लाइंट्स हैं वो बाहर जाकर सिर्फ ये नहीं बोलते कि कमाल का किया, उन्होंने ऐसा कहीं नहीं देखा ये कहते हैं। और ये मैं जानता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है। और सबने जितनी मिस्टर राजीव कपूर की तारीफ की, सो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि व्हाट राज कपूर वाज टू फिल्म्स, मिस्टर राजीव कपूर इज टू हॉस्पिटैलिटी। यहाँ पर वेरी ट्रू। वन फाइनल क्वेश्चन टू मिस्टर मजहर नडियादवाला। मजहर भाई, मुझे अजीब लग रहा है मिस्टर नडियादवाला बोलने में। सर, from a hospitality and media perspective, why is it important to have a dedicated award for travel, tourism and hotels? आपके हिसाब से।
Good evening, Mr. Rajiv, Mr. Shaukat Bhai, Mohammad Bhai, my brother and partner, and everyone here. And Siddharth, you're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you, Madhur Bhai.
Thank you for coming in such big numbers. It's really appreciated. And we are really happy to be on this platform today. Lighthouse Summit, like it says, a very interesting title and brought up really well. And I would love to talk about it. I mean, lighthouse is where you actually can spot from the lighthouse the right people, the leaders of the industry. So that's what this is all about. Lighthouse Summit is a platform to recognize all the achievements of the great leaders of this industry of hospitality, of hotels, of tourism and travel. So I think it's a perfect platform where we can actually bring people together. It doesn't only recognize the achievements of all these leaders whom we would be seeing between us today, but it's also, giving them a platform to network. So they actually come together and network. And Dome being a part of this, we are more this opportunity or this moment is very a proud moment for us to be a part of this, to cater to this industry, to see it grow, to increase the networking of the industry, to make sure that how we can come together and grow this industry. You see, hospitality is the backbone of every industry, whether you say travel, tourism, or even our events and entertainment, where we come from. So without hospitality, I mean, everything is, and Rajiv ji has been so kind to have, given us this, his lovely property to host this event. So we are more than happy and would like to thank you for that. And also, of course, partnering with us and, both Shaukat Bhai and Rajiv ji, thank you both for, partnering with us on this. And it's a proud moment for us. The Connect with Dome is where we connect the best of the best. And while we would humbly say we do our job also well,
extremely
it's actually, well. So it is connecting the best with the best, and I think it's a proud moment for all of us to be here together hosting this event.
Clap. Thank you so much. I would like to just add that from Mr. Shah Rukh Khan to a very humble person like me, Siddharth Day, everybody started with द मोरानीज एंड नाडियादवाला. सो ये लोग थे जिन्होंने अपना सारा करियर इनके साथ शुरू किया एंड वी हैव ऑल कम अ लॉन्ग वे. सो देयर इज समथिंग ग्रेट. वी होप द सेम थिंग हैपन्स टू लाइट हाउस अवार्ड्स. This goes for years and decades, and every year we do it at Fairmont at a discounted price. All right.
So this is a lethal combination जो आपके सामने चार मूर्ति जो है चार
मीनार. ये तो चार मीनार है.
कश्मीर के चार मीनार है. तो guys, thank you so much. And Rajiv, would you like to say something?
Listen, so grateful. I totally vouch on what I said. Morani Bhai, we have seen him years after year, showcasing best of the Bollywood. Shakwat Bhai with Horizon Hospitality. The industry loves him. Everybody, what he do. I really, really proud with this partnership. Like I said, our main purpose is to showcase Fairmont Mumbai to the world, showcase the hospitality, and recognize and reward and say big thanks to everybody. I'm so grateful to Accor and to the whole team and Fairmont, and we look forward to have a lovely evening together with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
So this-
everybody.
Yeah, sure. Listen, we are actually in a very fantastic time, and give you one simple example. Indigo Airlines has ordered 1,000 planes. Air India has ordered 500 planes. We got new airports coming in every, not only a tier 1 city, but tier 2, tier 3 city. Every day there are new airports coming. In city like Mumbai, we already have 2 airports. We got Navi Mumbai coming, and there's one coming in the sea very soon, right? Look at our train stations. Look at bullet trains to metro trains. So what this is helping is roads. Look at what's happening right throughout India. This is making our travel more easy. Before, and I was talking to somebody, when we were smaller, we used to go with our parents on a LTA in a train to go for a holiday once a year. Now, everybody travels in India in trains and buses, private things, staycations, workstations, everything. So, yes, going abroad has become more easy, but within India, we have so many abroads, right? So, I think so next 5 years belong to India. We, post-COVID, actually, we have started to travel. If we used to travel once in every quarter, now we go every Saturday, Sunday, we need to plan. So I think so world is changing. People are talking about more experiences, more food, dinings, weddings are bigger than life. MICE and conferences has become bigger than life. Fashion, concerts. So there are so many amazing things, everybody is doing. Look at the religious tourism which is happening. Fantastic. Every corridor has become better and better. So I think so together with the efforts of government, a lot of tourism bodies, hotels, travel agents, it's a great time for all of us for next 5 to 10 years.
अभी आपने कहा तो मैं एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहती हूँ कि लोग अब ट्रैवल करने से डरने लगे हैं आफ्टर दैट इंसिडेंट. क्या कहेंगे आप?
एक इंसिडेंट क्या है, वो बिल्कुल एक हादसा ऐसा था वो जो हमको सबको सिखाएगा, राइट? आई थिंक सो एवरी प्रॉब्लम ब्रिंग्स अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस. अब वो जो हादसा हुआ है उससे हम भाग नहीं सकते, वो हुआ है. बट आई थिंक सो लेट अस वेट फॉर व्हाट एक्चुअली विल कम. बट स्टिल राइट, वर्ल्ड डज नॉट स्टॉप. वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू. लुक एट एवरी एयरपोर्ट इज स्टिल फुल. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग. सो आई थिंक सो ये एक बहुत बड़ी सीख है हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लिए, एविएशन के लिए भी, जो हम सबको एक स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाएगी.
वेरी नाइस. आप सबकी कोई राय अपनी?
I would like to add on that question a little bit. I'm very proud of my country, India. It's so strong that nothing stops India and Indians, whether it's a bomb blast in a train or whether it's anything else. When India comes back, nothing stops India. It gets even more faster, it gets even more aggressive, and it grows even faster. So you will see people back every spot which you're talking about in bigger numbers, and you're already seeing that.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन आप पूछा. बम्बई में सबका आने का एक सपना होता है. हर होटेलियर का, मैं 25 साल से होटल चला रहा हूँ, हर होटेलियर का, हर जो एक किसी भी कॉलेज से पढ़ा हुआ उसका एक सपना होता है जैसे बॉलीवुड में जाके मूवी देखनी है, ऐसे बम्बई में होटल में काम करने का एक बहुत मौका मिले. इसलिए दिस इज़ ए 446 रूम. इस होटल में जो हम 2-4 चीज़ें जो बड़ी डिफरेंट लेके आए हैं, एक तो being in Mumbai, which is the New York of India, we have brought the whole 1920 New York story. So अगर आप लॉबी में देखें, आप पूरे होटल में अगर घूमें, you will see beautiful art decor and 1920 story coming to this hotel. Second thing which was very important is being Mumbai, हमारे पास एक चीज, दो चीज़ों की एक्चुअली कमी है. एक स्पेस की, बिकॉज हम एक टावर सिटी है, हर चीज़ हम ऊपर बनाते हैं, और दूसरा टाइम की. और ये दो चीज़ों की वो वैल्यू है फॉर ए लग्जरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वी वांटेड टू ब्रिंग टू फेमॉन्ट मुंबई. So if you go around our hotel, everything you will see here, we are made for a future, for a luxury space point of view. बॉलरूम जब हमने बनाया, हमने बिल्कुल सोच के बनाया कि ऐसा बॉलरूम बनाए जो बॉम्बे में टॉप इवेंट्स फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, अराउंड द कंट्री वी कैन ब्रिंग एवर. इस बॉलरूम की इतनी बड़ी खासियत है कि इसके अंदर इसकी छत पे 120 रिगिंग पॉइंट लगे हुए हैं. एवरी रिगिंग पॉइंट कैन हैंग 1 ton of lead. सो उस लोड पे हम 120 टन की रिगिंग कर सकते हैं, हम 6 गाड़ी टांग सकते हैं, हम फैशन शोज कर सकते हैं, डेकोरेशन करते हैं. 3 घंटे में हम पूरे बॉलरूम में LED स्क्रीन्स लगा सकते हैं. सस्टेनेबिलिटी एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है, लॉट ऑफ होटल्स डू. अब आप बहुत होटलों के बाहर भी देखेंगे कि अंदर बॉलरूम में फंक्शंस हो रहे होते हैं, बट फंक्शन के बाहर जनरेटर्स चल रहे होते हैं जिनसे पेट्रोल या डीजल की वी आर बर्निंग इट, which is not right. So we thought, what should we do different from a sustainability? We are the first hotel in the country where you don't need to bring any generators. We have installed 500 kV of UPS, which we give complimentary to our guests. So there are a lot of first in this hotel where we want to take the revolution of industry to a different level. अगर आप किसी भी होटल में बॉम्बे में रहेंगे तो आपको सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिलता है. We thought, what should we do different for a luxury guest, right? Luxury के guest के पास पैसा है लेकिन उसका टाइम नहीं है. उसकी टाइम और कन्वीनियंस को बनाने के लिए, if you stay at Fairmont with 42 and 49 square meter of rooms, you get breakfast included, top internet included, 4 pieces of laundry included, mini bar included, and airport pickup and drop also included. Because हमारा पर्पस ये था कि हम क्या लग्जरी दें उस गेस्ट को. So very different things you will see in Mumbai. वन थिंग विच जयपुर से और राजस्थान से जो लेके आए हैं और जो बॉम्बे के स्टाइल को मिक्स करेगी वो है अतिथि देवो भव, राइट? दैट हॉस्पिटैलिटी वी वांटेड टू ब्रिंग. और आई फील अगर आपको किसी का भी दिल जीतना है ना, उसके लिए खाना बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपका खाना राइट है एंड इफ़ यू आर कंसिस्टेंट एंड यू डिलीवर ग्रेट फूड, देन यू कैन विन एवरीबडीज हार्ट. So we are the first hotel again in Mumbai where we are focusing a lot also on the vegetarian guest. We have in our ballroom a dedicated vegetarian guest because Mumbai has a lot of Jains, a lot of Marwadis, a lot of हम Indians बड़े दिनों में vegetarian बन जाते हैं. कोई Tuesday को बन जाता है, कोई Thursday को बन जाता है. तो keeping the emotions and sentiments, even we have ordered separate crockery for vegetarians. So the day we have guests who are vegetarians will go beyond and will look after. So I promise you in coming days you will really enjoy amazing things at the Fairmont. आपको actually taste इस होटल में पूरी दुनिया का मिलेगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारा जो ऑल डे डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट है, इट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इन इंडिया, मर्चेंट्स, उसमें 7 थिएटर किचन्स हैं जिसमें देर आर कुजीन्स कमिंग फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. सो यू विल हैव टॉप शेफ्स प्रोड्यूसिंग फ्रॉम लेबनीज टू यूरोपियन टू इंडियन टू मारवाड़ी टू महाराष्ट्रन, एवरी कुजीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू डू.
सर मेरा सवाल ये है कि easytrip.com जो साइट है, easytrip.com जो साइट है, इस साइट से क्या इसी होटल से रिलेटेड जानकारी मिलेगी या अदर्स होटल्स के बारे में भी जानकारी मिलेगी?
नहीं, वो इस ट्रिप जो है वो हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं इस पर्टिकुलर अवार्ड के लिए. लाइक वी हैव मेक माई ट्रिप एंड अ लॉट ऑफ ऑनलाइन OTAs हैं. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द OTAs. Fairmont Mumbai can be booked on every OTA, every platform, direct from our websites. So I think so guests will really enjoy coming to the hotel.
Award is very unique. It is the most incredibly credible award in the country. On the jury is every single top hotelier in the country, every single player in the travel and tourism industry, every single restaurateur in the country, and I'm talking about all the top hoteliers, restaurateurs, travel, tour operators, they're all part of the jury. So it is open, it is transparent. On the chair is a gentleman called Dr. Nakul Anand, who was the executive director of ITC Hotels, the chairman of Faith, the founder of Faith, Mr. KB Kashru, the chairman of Radisson Hotels, also the president of Hotel Association of India, Mohammad Bhai, Mazhar Bhai, These are legends. Gautam Anand, Mr. Rajiv Kaul, who's again in the hotel today. He's the founder of Leela Hotels. So we have all the big wigs who have been the brains behind this. Ratan Keswani, who was the president of Trident Hotel. So all the biggest brains in the country got together to create a credible platform. प्रॉब्लम अवार्ड्स की नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम क्रेडिबिलिटी की है आज के दिन में, कि हम कैसे बोल रहे हैं. सारी अवार्ड्स बिक जाती है आजकल. आप कॉलम सेंटीमीटर्स खरीद लें, आपको अवार्ड खरीद सकते हो. ये अवार्ड बिकाऊ नहीं है. ये जो इट इज़ जज्ड बाय द इंडस्ट्री फॉर द इंडस्ट्री. सो हमने एक क्रेडिबल प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है. और ये जो इवेंट हम माउंट किया है इंडिया के सबसे बड़े इवेंट कंपनी के साथ, डोम के साथ, तो हमने इससे बड़ा ग्लैमरस इवेंट आज के दिन में आप अभी थोड़ी देर में 1 घंटे में आप देखेंगे. या 1 घंटे भी नहीं है, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए हमारा. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए. आप अभी जो 15 मिनट में देखने वाले हैं, ये इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा मोस्ट ग्लैमरस अवार्ड. ये ही इज द वे इज माउंटेड इट इज ऑन द सेम स्केल एज फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स. देयर आर 7 DJs who are going to be here tonight. There are 6 performers, there are 6 MCs, there's laser show, there are fireworks. There's no award that has been mounted on this kind of a glamorous platform. So you know, we've glamorized tourism. सभी करते हैं. नेशनल टूरिज्म अवार्ड होता है, ग्लैमराइज नहीं होता है, पॉलिटिसाइज्ड होता है. दूसरे अवार्ड्स कमर्शलाइज्ड होते हैं. हमने इंडिया को ग्लैमराइज करने की कोशिश की है. इंडिया की मोस्ट ग्लैमरस वेन्यू में हम होस्ट कर रहे हैं आज के दिन में. और मैं सारे होटल के साथ डील करता हूँ. मेरे ज्यूरी में इंडिया के सारे होटल्स, ITC, लीला, हायत, मैरियट सब हैं. बट आज के दिन में मैं बोलता हूँ, आज के दिन में इंडिया में एक होटल है जहाँ मैं चाह रहा था कि मैं करूँ, और मैंने बहुत मेहनतें किया राजीव भाई को, बट उन्होंने एक मेरे फर्स्ट लाइन में माई आइडिएशन इसे हम कर रहे हैं. दिस इज इंडियाज नंबर 1 होटल टुडे बाय फार. No, I sincerely mean it. I deal with all the hoteliers. The MDs of all the hoteliers are on my jury. So I'm not going to say this to upset somebody, but I'm going to say this because I believe in conviction. And I'm convinced that this is where we are sitting today, and the ballroom that you will enter is the best in the country that we have today. So we're doing this at the most glamorous events with the most glamorous partners and a most credible award. So I think the mounting is great, the positioning is great, the partners are fantastic. It has to be the best. India is now on the global tourism and travel map. And today is the day where we are beginning the journey of putting India on the global tourism map. That journey has begun today.
And the best proof is the 4 glamorous people are sitting over here.
ये hotels है, restaurants है, travel है, tourism है, सारे tourism boards हैं, सारे travel agency हैं, सारे airlines हैं, सारे hotels हैं, सारे restaurants हैं. We cover every sector in the travel and tourism industry, hospitality industry, travel, tourism, hospitality. 35 अवार्ड है, हर कैटेगरी अलग अलग है. कोई होटल्स के लिए है, कोई रेस्टोरेंट्स के लिए है, कोई टूरिज्म बोर्ड के लिए है, कोई ट्रैवल एजेंसी के लिए है, कोई एयरलाइन के लिए है. जी तो आपको मीडिया किट, प्लीज मेक द मीडिया किट अवेलेबल टू देम.
Hello.
Every top CEO in the country of every top hotel chain आज के दिन में, जितनी इंडिया की सारे, चाहे लीला हो या ITC हो या मैरियट हो या हायत हो या ओबरॉय हो, सारे के MD CEOs सब इनके जोरी में हैं. तो हमने सोचा कि हम सबसे क्रेडिबल कैसे बना सकते हैं. जितने स्टेक होल्डर्स सबको साथ में बैठा दिया हमने. आई सेड आप लोग मिलकर डिसाइड करो, बिकॉज आप लोग डिसाइड करते हो इंडिया का फ्यूचर क्या है. तो कोई नोबडी कैन पॉइंट फिंगर कि हमने नहीं देखा, उन्होंने नहीं देखा, उन्होंने बिका, उसने बिका. तो हमने सारे को खोल के एक साथ बैठा दिया एक टेबल पे. आप बैठ के आप सब डिसाइड करो. हम ऑडिट करेंगे, हम आपको प्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो this has been mounted on a very, very credible platform. The most credible ever in the country. I think this is it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Because now we have
lying right here in front of you on the table. We haven't seen an award like that. So please tell us what went into making the Lighthouse as a award, as a souvenir.
So when Shafkat Bhai came to me and he said, कुछ different करना है, and we are in one group of 1,000 people from hospitality, the who's who of this country, and he put it over there कि इससे बड़ा award होगा ही नहीं. अब डाल दिया है तो फिर हमारा ब्रांड भी लग रहा है, और बड़े ब्रांड लग रहे हैं, फेयरमेंट लग रहा है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी होराइजन लग रही है, डोम लग रहा है, तो वो बड़ा ही होना चाहिए. वी हैव टू, हमारा ब्रांड की बहुत इज्जत है, तो वो नाम रखना ही पड़ेगा. तो हम लोग फिर बोले कि सबसे पहले तो ट्रॉफी डिज़ाइन करना चाहिए. तो लाइट हाउस अवार्ड की ट्रॉफी ये डिज़ाइन हुई है गाइस. तो हर घर में ये अपने लैंप में भी, बेड साइड पे भी रह सकता है, अपने टेबल पे भी रह सकता है. नॉर्मली वो ट्रॉफी कबाड़ वाला लेके जाता है, इसीलिए ये ट्रॉफी ऐसी है कि लोग हमेशा रखेंगे हमारे साथ.
That's quite a utilitarian idea.
And you can hold this lovely trophy, please. Yes.
And we would request a photo with the trophy for rest of you, please, on the front.
Thank you, guys.